dedication for Chief Val Fracas J. Amade. Ugede Jembanti go na USA. Igog one of Owere. Eziwan Nekede. President Pinnacle Communications USA. Chairman Wakekeep Security USA. And executive producer Pinnacle Records and Entertainment USA. Our club you is wrong, I mean Nekede. We bow for you. Where she like in image Jesus. Therefore, he die for you. Chief Val Onyuke, Chairman Chief and Lolo Damian Ozuzu, President Derugo Hotels, Nigeria and USA, Ogbenival, Oshime, Emeka Ozuzu Sokandenia, no cause on them man. Ite Oshire Chief BBC Obinna Durako, Bilonia, Omala Baro Hawan of Isu, Okoze Yibala Made, Onye Karaka, Obiske Kele Commissioner of Police, CP Fabian Ojiri, Owe Deniva, Oshime, Chief Betsy Nebutu, aka Benzino, Football Ambassador, USA, Owe Deniva Lamadekwa, Oshime. Chief Ada Acharawanyoma, aka Adabeke Restaurant USA. Oebum Africa le weno wemo. Ndarema ite. Chigelende we yibalwe. Ugejeje mbelende we yawo anikawa na makwere. His Majesty Esther JK Agumanu the Third, JP, ASC, the one of Nekede, Ancient Kingdom, always in Naval, Oshime, Elenunde Wenyi Valu, Valu Woko Machine, and Denigo, and Igawano and Amapere Pao. His Majesty Esther Saje Omurako. KSJ, Noche 2 of Iyagba, Autonomous Community. How big up Kovanwa? Oshime, Honorable Chief Barrister Victor Murako, Chairman of Owerri West Local Government, Eziman Neva, Oshime, Anyakele His Royal Highness, Eze Akujobi Osuagwu of Awaka, Owonyema, Enyivala Madekwa, Ite. Lende wenyi balwe, ande jombo ne lende wenyi yao, aniga owa na mapele pa. Lende wenyi balwe, ande jombo ne lende wenyi yao, aniga owa na mapele. Papa JPC obe, obuonu zowa, nkembo, oshimalite owa, obike sonkova. Onye mmakwa ije Engineer BHOB, Chartered Engineer USA, Big up over alokwa Apostle Asobe Ndemma Oshime How Telende wenyi balu Ande demo nelende wenyi yao Aniga owa na makwele pa Telende wenyi balu Captain Chief August DHOB, Yegwaba one of Igbo land, former Chief Pilot Nigeria Airways, Eziman Neva, Okrobu Muchimi Yagwa Autonomous Community. Owonyema, hey! Get in a bottle. Anyake lost in Obe, no bin Obe, Umu Captain Obe, and there you go city. Yadanuma, hey! Ida International Sobeko Nyekane, President Solar and Solar Technologies USA, Eziman Neval Nem, oh! Elende wenyi balwe, Ugada Demba Jina Nidenigo, Anika Owana Mapere Pao. Pagano Vali Burebu, yeah, Naurugodogodo, Icha, but we bow for you. Huh? Osani Kelela, give Chibuzobe, South Ndemma Kele Justice G.M. Nkwada KSC Professor of Law President Customary Court of Appeal Imo State Big up over Owenyemma Kele Chief Ejikeme Ekechi Chairman Spare Electricals Nigeria Ezinna Oshime Ide Barrister Chief William Ade Ukachakaya Bawan of Owerri First Vice Chairman Imo PDP and PDP leader Owerri Zone Okozeniva Oshere Ntenu Shelenda Omorobaluwe Andaje Monele Nundewe Nyawo Aniga Ona Namakwerepa Elenda Wenyi Balwe Andomeje Monele Nyawo Aniga Ona Namakwere Balu Sekelela His Excellency Mr. George Pataki Executive Governor of New York State Andemma Falagwa Muti in America Ndemma Yite Oshimekelela the Mayor of New York City Mr. Michael Bloomberg Ezeniva Lamade Oboshime Barrister C.K. Ogwado Senior Lecturer Faculty of Law IMSU Owonyemma Ogbendekanye Honorable Chief Vincent Osheze Hirimu Chairman Owerri Municipal Council Ondekanyekwa Shelenda Umurubaluwe Andaje Monele Nundewe Nyawo Aniga Ona Namakwere Elenda Wenyi Balwe Andomeje Monele Nyawo Aniga Ona Namakwere Barrister Dr. Sam Ozurumba Principal Attorney Ozurumba Chambers Ogodama Womowere Ishise Owenyekanye Nze Barrister Joe Okoro Director General National Commission for Museum and Monuments Okobu Muchimi Yagba Okwezi Nwaneva Oshime Obiske Kele Pastor Sam Chu Okoro Kele Gospel Nkwada aka Babariski Abidjan Cote d'Ivoire Ondekanye Kele Chigozie Okere USA Emeka Okere USA and Ugondo Okere Umokobu Muchimame Gwafuma Nde Chigozie Akaforo Anukaraka Yite Anyekele Nda Vincent Nwosu Oyi Director Okobi Okwu Mama Nekedi Okonyekanye Oshime Chief Jerry Harris Atata One of Ata Owonyemma o Anyekele Chief Sam Dadi Ananwu Former Chairman Ikedu Local Government Kele Chief Jude Deke President Judek Motors Ondemma Dr. Chief Mrs. Vincent Jen Abantu One of New Jersey also Kwandeniva in America Arimaka Alhaji Mohammed Muazu Owonyemma Ije Chief Emeru Wantukwe Konyekanye Chief Chike Onwumere Okonyekanye Ndeniva in America Chief Andrew Onyewenyi aka Odabro President Odabro Hotels USA Oboshime Paul Onyewenyi Konyekanye and the last Onyewenyi Ndeniva in America